Hello and welcome back to one of my YouTube videos. Today in this YouTube video we're going to be trying to get the rear boot to open. Obviously it doesn't work with the key from the outside or the handle, and you've got a little lock and unlock button on your driver's panel, which that does work fine. That locks and unlocks now. After cycling it a few times, it's got that on working. But yeah, that one still doesn't open. Obviously that needs to open for, I guess, for the MOT. So we're going for a little play around and see if we get that to open. Off the key, the actual key is solid, that won't move. But if we can even get it to be able to unlock and unlock just from the switch alone, that'd be fine for now. Obviously, I can then after you tell the MOT tester and they can open and close it. But after that's a long way away. I just need to see if we can open it. I mean, even before then, I suppose we can get the key and just have a little open and close with it that way. But yeah, let's go to the back. Go past all my storage. Got my little new pad here actually, quite good. I'll put this here. Open new. Okay. Right, so you see someone has been in there before us. Oh, okay. What's that? Is that it? Looks like a emergency release. The problem is with this ramp being here, I can't really even get to the panel particularly. Yeah, got the wiper mechanism here. There. So we can't come along here. So see this mechanism here. And that little mechanism unlocks the boot. Even goes to the key switch just in there. I believe that's the key switch. Back of it in there. Yeah, so and it comes along here. See the little lever right in there. And that, yeah, you can push it on that. But why it wasn't unlocking the actuator is because the actuator isn't plugged in. Yeah, that'd be why. That's not working. So I'm going to see if I can find, and that, there now, that means I should hopefully be able to find some bolts. It might have unplugged it if it wasn't working, potentially. But who knows, let's see if I can find some bolts. We come to my trusty Mercedes 190E bolt collection, or just Mercedes in general. I'm going to try one of these first. Should have millions of these. That looks about right. Yeah, actually, yeah, perfect. Look at that. Okay, how well that fits. Right, come on, bolt collection. Come on, bolt collection. Give me another one of them bolts. Right, every single nut and bolt imaginable here from a Mercedes 190E. Oh, are we? Definitely exactly the same, but probably will do. Let's see if we can find an actual one there. Alright, dig. I'd like a matching set. That's too long though. Same thing in print. I'm going to sit down. There we go. Right, yeah, that'll do. And I'll tighten up and I'll bring you back. Okay, you can let your Tyson back up. It's not going anywhere. So, I've lost the lock thing. Show you what I'm doing. Push, door's locked. That's it. Boot lid is now shut and locked. The door, come off to the door. Come off to the door. Oh, door's trying to blow open, so I'm trying to. I can't do this with one hand. Oh, there we go. When you stop, okay, you can lock it here and you can. There you go. Unlock. So, and now we'll come back here. And voila. Oh, look at this. My outdoor balcony works. Look at that. And now we'll pick out, you know, get my little chair. You know, and get my outdoor chair, and I can just I've got my roof. Brilliant. Yeah, just what you want, really, isn't it? Yeah, outdoor balcony. But yeah, it's not bouncing on that, and you know, it's you know, go all the way. I mean, this has been custom fit to fit a space cruiser. But yeah, no, it's not too bad really. It just gives past the bumper. But it's good, like, that it's been fitted, and it's not one I want to cut away at the floor. Up. Whoa, boy. Okay, so I think that'll be it really for another video. Yeah, the key switch here, it's still a bit frozen. It's not going to work really, but yeah, I mean, at least we've now got the boot working. I mean, it worked before, which is apparently didn't realise it, that you had to manually unlock the boot by that little thing. Why? Maybe the previous owner or whoever did it, I don't know. I can't say who did it, but why one of the original people who had this car. But whoever did it, I don't know why, but I don't know why you done bolt the actuator. I mean, it obviously worked fine. Yeah, I have no idea. Obviously, you plugged it back in and it now works. So I can now unlock and lock this door and the rear boot by the switch on the driver's panel door. Obviously, next door is a bit sticky first. It's sticky, I don't think. I've done nothing to this door other than just push the switch, and I think obviously it's loosened it up again. So I may have to take that panel off and just spray some. I may have to just take that panel off and spray some lubricant in there and just give it a bit of a cleaning. Obviously, because it's come back by itself, so that probably means the grease and lubricant is just a little bit old. So I'll have to put a plate in there and just lubricate it. I think, and that should be perfect for that. Yeah, I'm happy about the rear boot working. Like, I can now open and close the boot, unlock it by the button. So in case I need to get into it now, it's fine. I'll put the panel back on at a later. I'm not really too bothered. I still need to get the key switch working, key lock. So no point really doing too much yet with that. So that will wait. But yeah, and the ramp works as well. Or should I say my outdoor balcony? My outdoor balcony works, which is nice. Yeah, I've turned my air conditioning down a bit. Shut one vent. Yeah, no, I mean, I think going forward, whenever I go to a car show, or eventually when I take these cars that are white, this is going to be my resting position. Even though I've got the driver's seat, obviously, you can't really rest too well back there. But yeah, this will be 100% my position. I've got my window just here. Oh, I can get the breeze. If I want a bit of a breeze, I can feel the breeze. Or if I don't want to do that, you know, just generally I've got my foot on the bulkhead. If your foot rest, you can stretch out. Open door, got a nice sunroof. I can open, you know, shut whenever I don't want it. And yeah, this will 100% be my car show or Isle of Wight, wherever I go, resting position. Pull up admire the view, get back in and just rest. I can get my bulkhead, open the big old sunroof, blind thing here. Hopefully I can pull it here, get blinded, but get it shut. But yeah, it'll be perfect. And I'm not in it after when I go to car show, especially in summertime, as you probably well aware, it gets very hot in England, very hot and muggy, and obviously you need to keep refreshed. After down here, if you look at the footwell, quite a big footwell down here, and I've got a 12-volt socket just there, so that'd be perfect for summertime. I get myself a little electronic cool box, put it in the gap down here, plug it in, and you know, when I go to, by the time I get to car show, oh, it'd be lovely. I mean, put them in the fridge overnight, or freezer, whatever, transfer them to the cool box, you know, job's good. And come here, open the cool box, get myself a nice beverage, and enjoy it. Yeah, anyway, I think for the next, or maybe not next video, but a few of the jobs I need to get lined up and do, obviously make a minus the key for that. After take the door card off and double check, I believe, obviously, if now you've got actuators in the back, I believe the front one should as well possibly. I'm not too sure on that. If not, I may have to find myself a nice little actuator kit and fit one. So, thanks for watching. Definitely really please you guys on the channel and like the video if you would like, and subscribe. It really does help the key channel grow. And also, actually, it would be nice to see in editing. I'm taking the wind map off the camera to see if that. I've noticed it sounds a bit muffled. So hopefully, if the wind shock off, it doesn't sound too bad anymore. So, yeah. I'll see you in my next video.